This engine is 260 four cylinder engine, and this model is A200. So today I'm going to explain how to remove thermostat. This car have little bit difficult to remove thermostat because this thermostat is fixed behind of the engine, so it's a little bit difficult. But if you want to save the time, you can save. Just do not remove this pressure line, air pressure line, that one connected to air filter to turbocharger. Another line is the intercooler to intake manifold. Just remove this bracket, and you can save the time, because it will take lot of time that disconnect the line, this bracket, and then remove this throttle body. So if you want to save the time, please do not remove this hose. This throttle body, if you remove only, then you can save the time, because after that just you have to remove this intake manifold. Also, it's very easy. Just you have to disconnect the coolant line and the E10 screws. These are the two coolant line. That one must you have to disconnect, because this one is the passing through this coolant. So don't forget to replace this seal, that one connected to intake manifold. Some electrical connections are also connected with this intake manifold. Now you can see here, this is the thermostat, one electrical connection, and this two more coolant line. These two screw, that one holding this thermostat, and this is the filter, that one is blocking the flow of this coolant. So this one is the dirty, and also sometimes this is the choke, that's why blocked, that's why the coolant is not passing through this thermostat. So that's why the reason of this overheating this car. So also you can see here a scratch mark. This one is also responsible for overheating the car. So this old thermostat have this filter. New thermostat don't have